Okay guys, so this is the V8 4.6 liter Mercury with the throttle body spacer right there. You got this piece right here. You've got this piece right here which relocates your throttle, and this is your cruise control right here. It's in the same place, it's all in the same place, and I'm about to turn it on. Once again, this is a video from stop51.com. There we go. There's the engine. Okay, I guess you could take these two videos, put them side by side, see if it works any different. As far as I'm concerned, the throttle does sound a little bit different in terms of the sound. Yeah. As far as that sound, sounds like a vacuum. You hear that? Right there. Right there. Right there. That sound was never there before. So that might be an alternating sound. We're about to take the car for a test ride, and we're going to see if there's any difference in the car or in the pickup or whatever this thing does. The throttle body spacer. Okay? Take care. Once again, stop51.com videos. I'm about to throw this little cover on there. Right there. 4.6. And we're going to make this engine look beautiful. Take care, guys.